Want to know how to add a subcategory to your categories in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under the minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected your plus icon, you should be seeing various options popping up for you. Now right below amount, you should also be seeing something known as category. Just simply select it. And now once you have selected category, here you should be seeing this edit icon. Just simply select that. And now adding your subcategory is super simple. So make sure you enable subcategory on the top right side. And here you can just simply select any category that you want. Select edit. And now as you can see right here, the subcategory is already there. In order to add more of it, on the top right side, just select this plus icon and add a subcategory of your choice. Now just select save, and as you can see right here, your subcategory has been added. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.